back to my channel, and I know I've been absent for a while. The reason is because I was relocating. We got a new home and we had to wait on the internet service providers to get the internet here. Alright, so with that out of the way, you will now be getting your regular videos again from me and how we can make some money online. Alright, so I've gotten some questions. I've been answering a few with my phone, and I'm gonna answer some in this video. Alright, so this is part 2 of making money on Etsy by using Printful. Alright, and since that time I haven't gotten to put a lot of new items on my Etsy, but the good thing is I've made some sales, and I'm gonna show you here proof that this method can actually work. Alright, I've made sales and I've only had like 4 designs up at the time. So right now I'm gonna go into Etsy and show you the orders. You can see I have 2 completed orders right here. Alright, and one person, they bought 4 of these Jamaican t-shirts that I put up. And let me go into the order right here. Alright, so you can see the total for this order, it came up to $68, right? And if I go into my Printful, let me just fix this so I can see that right here. Alright, so if I go into my Printful, I'm in my orders right here, and the one for $68, actually Printful charged $41.04 to fill that order. Alright, so let me get my calculator up right here. So basically 68 minus 41, you can see that I profited $27 from that one sale, and all I did was to put my design up. Alright, that Jamaica design that you're seeing right here. So let me go to the product right here so you can see exactly. So this is basically what I had put up on a shirt, and she bought it for the whole family. Alright, and I made another sale, and this is for this bodysuit that I made here, and this was, I sold this for $44.95, and on Printful it was $25. So you can see I made about $19 there profit. Alright, so this actually works. And imagine if I had like 50 designs up, because what I plan to do is to put one design up every day, because Etsy charges 20 cents per listing, and they charge that 20 cents every 4 months. So basically it would be 80 cents for a year, or 60 cents for a year basically, to have your listing on Etsy. Alright, so you make one sale, you cover that for like 2, 3, 20 years down the line, so you won't have to worry about that. So persons in the Caribbean and Jamaica like I am, they've been asking, how do you get paid? Because on Etsy, persons will normally pay, they will send the money to your PayPal. Some persons been having issues getting the PayPal to their banks, and what I've done to get around that is I've signed up for a free Payoneer account, and it's totally free. I'm gonna leave a link in the description as well that you can use to sign up for that. And then what I did was link my PayPal to my Payoneer, because once you sign up for Payoneer, you will get a American bank account for free. Alright, so basically you will get the routing number here, you would get your account number, this is a check-in, and this is my name here. So you would just put this bank account information in PayPal, and then you would hit the withdraw to the bank, and it will go straight to your Payoneer. So once you have $30 run through your Payoneer account, they will send you a free MasterCard. So I use a freight forwarding service like Mailpack or ShipMe, and they send the card to Mailpack, and I get that in like a week. Alright, so once you have your MasterCard, you would basically withdraw your money in any multi-link ATM around the island, or if you're in the Caribbean. So I'm gonna leave a link to PayPal, I'm gonna leave a link to Payoneer, and I'm gonna leave a link to Printful and for Etsy. And for designs, I know some persons are not going to be able to do designs like these. So what I've done is I've created a Fiverr account. I'm going to leave the link in the description, where you can get 10 top quality images and mock-ups from me, and that's just $5. Alright, so if you want to get started, if you have an idea, anything that you want to put on a shirt, if you want to, let's say you want to do shirts for nurses, you want to do shirts for birthdays, you want to do, if you want to do craft items like I do, because my store is basically centered around like Jamaican designs, and I might open another store. Well, I will open another store with another theme. So this is the other one that I sold, and this just says Yard Vibes with the Jamaica flag right here. So I realized that these swimsuits are doing quite well. And another thing that I found out on Etsy is that if I go to marketing and advertising, right here I can advertise my listings for $1 a day on Etsy, and you only pay when you get clicks. So these are my new designs that I have up here, and due to advertising, 1,908 persons have seen my listings here, 11 clicks. So it's only a matter of time before someone purchases one of my designs. So I'm gonna do another video tutorial to show you. It's not hard, so you just go to marketing right here, and you would go to more options, and you can set your budget, create your budget. So you can do $1 a day, you can do $2 a day, or up to, I think it's $10 or $5 a day. But I'm just starting with this, so you can see my total ad views is 5,990 views, and I had 29 clicks, and that 29 clicks basically only cost me $2.31. But I know that once I sell one item, I would make that back tenfold, so I'm not really worried about that, because without the ads it will take a longer time for persons to see my listings, and then a longer time to get sales. So the good thing with this model is that you put the design up once and just forget about it, and now you can have the ad running, and then you will be making some extra money over time. The more designs you have up, the more chances you have to get sales. But I would I prefer like if you niche down. So if you're doing birthday merch, t-shirts, the good thing with Printful, you can do a lot of designs. It doesn't have to be just t-shirts. So let me go ahead here and show you. So let me go ahead to add a product right here. So if we go to women clothing, you can see they have t-shirts, they have tank tops, crop tops, embroidery shirts, they have skirts, leggings, swimwear. For me, it looks like swimwear is right now the hot topic, so I'm trying to put up some more swimwear. So this, as you can see, this is their best seller, and for them it's $27.99 to $95 to have this one fulfilled. So what I do, I would just get my design. I can just click this to search for designs that I've previously done, just for explanation purposes here. So let's say I wanted to put this here, just Wagwan, and then I would have to resize this image so that it fits into the print area by pulling it down like this. And once you see this saying that it's good right here and it's in green, your image is normally set. So you can pull the image just for it to fill the area a little more, and there you go. I would just click the back as well, and then I would put the image on the back, and then it's basically next you would put your price in and stuff like that. And you can sell this basically for $40 to make an extra $20 profit just for your designs. So if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. I can give you a free one-on-one just to show you how to do this, how I'm doing it, because I know that I wish I had someone to show me how to do it when I was getting started. Most of what I know now is because of trial and error. So you don't have to go ahead and make all the mistakes I made. You can just, I'm going to leave a link to probably my Facebook or Instagram or something like that, where you can just message me one-on-one, and I'll definitely give you tips, pointers. And if you want help with your designs, like I said, you can definitely reach out to my Fiverr link in the description. I'll give you 10 top quality images with transparent backgrounds, and I will even help you to load your designs, and that's just $5 for 10 designs. Alright, so that's it for me, but remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions and comments, I appreciate it. It helps me to decide what video to do next, so you can definitely leave that down in the comment section. Alright, and thanks a lot for your time, and this is Amal from Digital Marketing Jamaica. Peace out.